She doesn't take anything seriously. Jenna? It's Miss J. Where are you? Okay. Well, make a right and park on the street. Just get up here as soon as you can. You're already late. I left the door open. Just come in. I'm upstairs. Okay. See you in a few minutes. Jenna, you're late.
I'm so sorry.
Here, I'm fine.
I'm so sorry.
I'm going to take these for you. Okay. Cheerleading practice?
Yeah, it ran a little late. I'm so sorry.
No worries. I'm glad you're here. So, something I wanted to talk to you about, you know, your grade keeps dropping in my class. And, you know, you seem very distracted. I was wondering, you know, how you were in other classes, so I took a look at your reports, and you're a straight A student. I was really impressed.
Thanks. I'm a little bit of a brainiac. My parents keep me focused.
So, what exactly is the problem in my class, then?
I don't know. You're a little bit distracting. And I sit in the front row, so...
Me?
Yeah.
Distracting? Is it something I do or something?
I don't know. Well, you always come in with